Hi guys, it's Tracy. Today I'm going to share with you where I have been, what I have been crafting, and why I have not created a video since August of 2017, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so first of all, Happy New Year. It is a brand new year, 2018, a blank page to write a new book for the next year. So I'm super excited. So where have I been? Where have I been, and was this planned? Did you plan to have this absence? No, I didn't. It just happened. My last video was a tutorial with Cricut Design Space, and I uploaded that in August. And so I don't know, things just happened. Life got in the way, and Hurricane Harvey hit our state. Even though we were blessed and not directly hit, Houston was, and we're so close to Houston, and it was devastating. It was devastating for the area. It was devastating for the whole like Gulf Coast kind of thing in the area where Rockport and Aransas Pass and different areas where it came in, and even more inland. And so we usually vacation in Aransas, Port Aransas, Aransas Pass, that kind of thing. And so many family and friends were devastated by Hurricane Harvey. And I know much of the world, you know, their hearts were broken as well. And we appreciate that. And just I kind of became a little numb. I'm embarrassed to say, I was just devastated by the destruction that happened to our state. You know, I'm a faithful person, and I never lost sight of that, but just to have your whole world turned upside down just in a matter of days, hours, you know, minutes is just, it's just mind-boggling. Anyway, so that really took a toll on me. Like I said, I was a little numb after that. And then the Astros, we were cheering the Astros on into the World Series, and so that became consumed with that. I'm not gonna lie, I've been a huge Astros fan my entire life, and so to see your team go all the way and win the whole thing, I wanted it so bad. Not just because we wanted them to win, not because I don't know, it's a selfish reason I guess, but after everything that Houston has been through, they needed that. We needed that. Texas needed that. And so just watching them, cheering them on through the whole World Series was just very, very exciting for my family. And so then my son, who is a single dad who has custody of his son, my grandson, he is 3.5, and CJ is his name, and he is just a ball of energy and such full of joy and just full of life. Anyway, this past fall they made the decision, an opportunity became available, and they moved out and they had their own space. And so kind of when he decided to move out, that gave us an opportunity as a family to, you know, rearrange some things, to have, you know, Spencer was in the smaller bedroom, Skylar was in the larger bedroom, and then when he moved out, little brother just, you know, he was going to get the bigger bedroom. So, and then I was going to get Spencer's old bedroom. That was going to be my overflow room that now I'm videoing in. And so that goes kind of in the back of my head, like, oh my gosh, my craft room is so small and that's where I always video. Well, okay, I can, you know, go in there and I can have room for my extra stuff, maybe open my Etsy shop, just, oh my gosh, all these ideas are going through my head. And so you may have the question, what have I been crafting? What have I been working on? Nothing. I haven't. I did a few Christmas decorations for my like Christmas decorating things, like put some things together, but I have not been crafting. My craft room is a disaster. It's kind of like a storage room right now. I do plan to do a video, and follow me on Instagram because I may, if I get brave enough, I'll post a picture of what my craft room looks like before, I'm embarrassed. It's sad. I mean, I'm like, why did you do all that? Why it just became a catch-all room? And so, anyway, but I guess when you're not using it, that's what happens. So what's coming up for 2018 here on your YouTube channel, Tracy? Well, I'm hoping that I can do more full-time videos and just sharing different things about our life. YouTube and crafting and designing and things have always been a second job or kind of a hobby because I have a day job. And so I've been with that job for going on 29 years. And so when I reach 30 years, I can like retire from that. And so retire not in the sense of you're not going to do anything. Retire in the sense of I can go have a second career. I can still like get a little retirement check from that, but still have a second career. And I say that humbly and so blessed that God has blessed me with everything. But anyway, I have lots of plans. And so I've been really soul searching and just really, listening to God and how He's leading me and what He wants me to do. And I've just discovered so many different YouTubers that I didn't know existed. I mean, it's just, the YouTube world is exploding, and I've been watching and I've been learning and I've been taking all of this in because when the time comes, I want to be a full-time YouTuber. I want to be a full-time crafter. Does that mean crafting and designing? Or opening an Etsy shop? Maybe. I'm just going to follow my heart and just continue to be faithful and follow where God leads me. So anyway, I thank you so much. I'm so sorry that I was gone for so long without any, hey, give you a heads up. I didn't intend that. The hurricane happened. My son moved out. I got caught up in the World Series, and then Christmas decorating was had come around, and so I was involved in that, and then getting everything set up with the new, like Spencer moved into his new bedroom, and then I got everything set up in here, and it's just life is busy. That's all I can say. Life is busy. But anyway, thank you for sticking with me all of these years. Thank you for continuing to give me your support. If you have any suggestions of what you would like to see, go ahead and leave me a comment below. And also, I am going to maybe explore more of the Country Home by Tracy videos that I once thought maybe I'll some of my favorite things. Some of, because it's all my stuff, it's all about us and about family. So anyway, I'd love to hear your comments. I'd love to hear your suggestions, and we will talk to you soon, and God bless.